Economic issue. This is
This
very
is
much
an
a
economic
cultural
issue. It is a traditional issue. It becomes a religious issue, but it's also an issue of culture. Are you accepting people who have followed a certain way of life for hundreds of years, or are you just disparaging them on the basis of their belief and sort of dispatching them to second-class citizenship because you are not prepared to listen to their voices? I'm sure that the government is going to listen.
No, I actually haven't. One moment.
Why do you always interrupt other people?
Yeah, no, I understand. And what Sanjay Hazarika says is very important.
I interrupt other people in NDTV only. And I do that because the TV has an agenda and I need to do that.
No, I'm sorry, Sambit. Either you apologize for that or please leave the program. I'm not going to accept this accusation of an agenda. Just because you're asked questions, I'm sorry, Sambit Patra, just because you are asked questions does not mean there is an agenda.
I'm very candid in stating
Please
all
leave.
this. Allow me
You're
30
most
seconds
welcome to
rebut
leave.
what has been
I have
said.
no
This is
problem.
respectfully stated.
No, I'm sorry.
No, I would not
you
leave.
owe us an apology.
No, we would not. Either we would boycott your channel, I mean, we would come here and we would not leave. That is a
I
very
don't
new way of
understand.
saying please
Are you
leave.
threatening
We would
to
not
boycott
leave.
us?
It is not that. No. You cannot say that you leave. How dare you say you leave?
I will say, it's my program. How dare you say that we have an agenda?
It's your program?
Yes.
It's your program?
Yes.
It's what is your program? Why do you invite BJP spokespersons and say it is
What do you mean?
program
What do you
only?
mean by
And
saying
you
that the
don't
channel
allow
has an
BJP
agenda when you're
spokespersons
asked
to
a question? What do you mean
Yes,
by saying
the
that the
channel
channel has an
Who
agenda?
doesn't know that?
What?
You don't
No,
allow
then you're
30
welcome to
seconds
leave.
the BJP
Then you're welcome to
spokesperson
leave if you think it has an
uninterrupted.
agenda.
No,
That's
we
utter
will not
rubbish.
leave. We will expose the NDTV agenda rather than leaving.
All right, I'm
Why
done,
should I
Sambit.
leave? I should
I'm
expose
done.
you and your TV's agenda.
No, you can play to the gallery as much as you want, and very respectfully, I will not accept
No
that.
playing to the gallery.
If
It is
you
not
are.
that the galleries
You can
are
either
aware
come
of what you all
here
are
and have a
doing.
respectful
The
debate, but I'm not
galleries are
getting into
aware
a
of what
tutu
you all are
with you.
doing.
I'm not going to get into a tutu. It's not worth it.
I wanted 30 uninterrupted seconds.
Yes, and very
I
politely,
respectfully demanded
two
30
panelists made a
seconds.
point, and we were coming
politely
back to
said I
you.
wanted 30 seconds.
Sambit,
No.
I said here there's an
You should
agenda.
also give
There's an
voice
agenda.
to us.
That is your political
But I
party.
wanted to speak on facts. You did
Yes,
not
and-
allow me to speak on facts
No,
also.
and I was coming to you and you said
I very
agenda.
respectfully in the very beginning said that, allow me 30 uninterrupted seconds, I don't
You
want
take
anything
back
more
the
than
words
that.
that you
I've
said
always
and you
been
can
humble in
continue.
every
I'm
TV
sorry.
debate.
I'm
No,
sorry.
I won't take down. I
Then
will
please.
not take any words
No,
back.
thank you. You're
because
welcome
I
to
meant
leave.
every single
You're welcome
word.
to leave the show.
No, I would not leave.
I'm
I
sorry,
would
Sambit,
sit
not
the
gonna
show
accept it.
And expose the show throughout. I would expose
No.
the show throughout.
All right. Well, then I'm going to take a break, and I'm sorry. I'm not going to go to you. I'm going to go to the other spokesperson because I'm not going to accept that. You know, you cannot get away with this accusation that the channel has an agenda because we're asking you questions. And
Yes,
we're being
who does
fair
not
about
know
it.
that in this-
So
who
if
does
you
not know
want,
this in this
you're
world?
most welcome to go on the other channels,
Right.
which are glorified versions of Doordarshan.
Right,
Please
you
enjoy
said no.
yourself.
Not
Mr.
at all.
Saravanan,
We
I'm
would be
sorry.
here and we
Sorry,
would expose
Sambit.
the agenda here as well.
No,
Yes.
it's not about
Yeah.
exposing
Not
any
allowed.
agenda.
This is
Won't
30
accept
seconds.
it.
See, you ask
All of
uncomfortable
you gang
questions.
up
Yeah.
against,
Mr.
no, all of
Saravanan-
you gang up
Uncomfortable
against Bharatiya
questions.
Janata Party. No,
Yes,
all of
yes,
I'm
yes.
ready to answer every uncomfortable
Yeah.
question,
See,
sir. You ask
I'm
me
not going to
any
accept
question,
your
I'm ready
language.
to
I'm really
answer.
sorry, and
But
I'm
you
not
have
going to
give me
engage in an
30
argument with you.
uninterrupted seconds
It's
to
beneath
speak.
me. It's beneath me to engage in this argument with you. Mr. Saravanan.
No, I respect you.
Did
but
you-
With all due respect,
No.
I demand
No, I'm
30
sorry,
uninterrupted
Sambit.
seconds.
Sorry.
You never allowed
Please.
that.
I
wanted
was
to speak
coming
on
back
facts.
to you. I was coming back to you, but to use that kind of language and to make that kind of an accusation, I'm sorry, is unacceptable. I will not accept
The
it.
accusation is absolutely correct.
Well, then please, you're welcome to leave and not come to NDTV.
No,
Why do you
it's not-
accept our
No, I would
invitation?
not. I would expose you till the end of this debate.
Enjoy yourself, Sambit. You're welcome to leave. I'm not continuing this debate with
You
you
draw
any
down,
longer. Mr. Saravanan, let me go to you instead. What the BJP is
Yes.
arguing is
Yeah.
that all of you have not actually read the fine print of what the cattle rules say, and you have not understood it. That's